Little bit of Alfa Romeo, but lots of own flavor. Very stylish flavor, in fact. Go for red. It looks best. And have I introduced myself? Apologize for being utterly rude. I've forgotten. My name is Magdalena, and now I'm new girl on Swiss roads. Anna is gone. She's gone forever. She will not come back. Sorry, not sorry. Now it's my turn to be a queen.
This is graceful. She's taking all my glory. But I suppose fine, you can stay here after all. We are in the middle of nowhere. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to the beautiful Lapland and Mazda CX-5 2019. What a delightful place to test a Japanese car. We are driving all the way from Luleå in Sweden to the Arctic Circle, Rovaniemi in Finland. Well, let's see what this Japanese cookie is made of. And by the way, this is one of my best friends, Magdalena. I brought her here to support me.
So, young lady, what do you think of the looks?
But the looks are definitely the strongest point of the CX-5. You've got this large grille, sleek lines, this sexy chrome line going across the body, and of course, 19-inch wheels. Very posh.
Very posh in the middle of nowhere?
Yes.
Anna Banana, and do you like the cabin?
Oh yes, it is very lovely. But the best part by far are the seats, as you would expect from Japanese car maker. They're super tailored to our sleek and fit bodies. Overall, excellent quality of the materials and finishing.
Oh my god, she's obsessed with quality of materials.
Yes, I am, and I've got no problem saying it actually. What's different about Mazda CX-5 2019 is actually the major differences are in the interior. You've got the cooled seats in the front, the heated seats in the back, you've got the Apple CarPlay, Android. Overall, there's lots of space and comfort.
Yeah, all I can do is to confirm.
Thank you. All you have to do in life is just agree with me.
If I could see you again, I've tried to fix every wound with this lone heart.
My lovely Anna, and how does it feel to drive this car?
Well, you see, Mazda positions itself as a premium car manufacturer, and rightfully so, because the ride quality is exactly that. It is very premium, yet this car is still cheaper than most luxury brands out there.
I'm tired of wasting time. Call me again when you're ready.
So Anna, this car is very soft, very smooth, very comfortable.
Yes, indeed. The suspension absorbs all of the bumps and imperfections on the road. You essentially are riding like a queen. Now we've got a 6-speed automatic gearbox. You can't feel the change of gear at all. Exactly what you expect for an SUV. The steering isn't overly soft actually, it's quite sharp for an SUV, very precise, gentle turn, and this car listens to your hands. Now this is a brilliant long distance cruiser.
Oh yeah, because we've spent hours in this car today.
Oh yes, and you know what else is smooth and very seamless is the adaptive cruise control. And finally, a cruise control that's actually not going to pull your head off when it's braking. I've got a 2.2-litre diesel engine which produces 185 horsepower.
Oh Anna, please, enough punch for us today. Enough.
I brought you here to look good, not to speak so much actually, because what I wanted to mention is that this car is a real gem in the SUV market. That is because we also have the 2.5-litre petrol engine that is naturally aspirated. It's actually very nice and very lovely to have something real in this big old fake world. So let's enter the financial area. Who would have known there's a person in this world who loves money more than I do? But there is, and she just happens to be sitting right next to me. So tell me about money, sweet honey.
Speaking about money, honey, the cheapest version starts from 27.5k American dollars, but a very strong diesel, the richest versions,
The highest spec, that's right. Yeah.
yes, it's 51k. Oh my god, I'm just trying to imagine how many handbags, Chanel, Hermes, Birkin, etc. we could buy in difference, Anna.
I told you, Mazda, don't invite her. She gives you horrible, terrible marketing. I mean, she suggests buying the cheapest Mazda CX-5 and spending the rest on handbags. I mean, but either way, you see, there are options there, and whatever you choose, you still get fantastic value for money.
And I want to touch briefly on differences between Japanese and European cultures, because this really reflects on the way Japanese build cars. European cars want drivers' attention all the time with flashing messages, voice warnings, ADAG development, well, coming right up.
Peace and quiet. All we want is peace and quiet.
Sometimes, yes, we do. And this is exactly what you get in with Mazda CX-5. It's very soothing, relaxing, just comfortable. I mean, you sit back and relax as you drive to the Arctic Circle.
So, young lady, what do you think?
I really love it. It's very comfortable, very posh, very spacious, lots of place for children or shopping. I really recommend.
There she goes.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pain.
So what are my final thoughts, our final thoughts on Mazda CX-5? Well, this car looks great, it feels great, it smells great. I'm glad that the Japanese are coming into Europe and grabbing a larger piece of that European cake that's heavily saturated by the Germans, by the English. Nice to see some Japanese samurais running around. Enough rambling. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. A big thank you to Wrap Magazine for bringing me here, also to Mazda Germany and Annika. Now don't be ungrateful, say something.
Yes, big thank to Giuseppe and Gabi from Mazda Switzerland. It's lovely to be here with my Anna.
Now let me know what you think of her, because I do
Be
like
nice, don't be mean.
I do like to take all the glory. So today was time to, share it. But never mind. A big thank you to all of you for watching once again, and we shall all, maybe we shall see you all very, very soon. Bye.